As the spring season is rolling out and we're moving into summer, we just wanted to do a big shout out and just say how grateful we are here at Focus Real Estate for so much of our business and our clients.
We've had such a great response this year, and you know that is so meaningful for us to be able to help so many people through these kinds of changes and transitions in their lives. And we just wanted to say thanks. The market is changing, real estate is changing, the economy, there's so much in flux, and we just wanted to reach out and say thank you very much for all of your support and all of your continued support, and we really appreciate being part of these transitions.
We have wonderful clients, wonderful community, wonderful colleagues and industry that we work in. And so thank you for letting us be a part of that journey with many of you.
And you know, that even goes to all the other real estate agents that we cooperate through transactions. You know, we're certainly seeing some changes in the marketplace, and those relationships start to change, but it's just really nice to rely upon both the relationships with our clients, the relationships that we have with the people in our office, and also the relationships that we have with all the other brokerage communities. So thank you.